How to fix Forza Horizon 5 not installing on Windows. To fix Forza Horizon 5 not installing on Windows, try 1. Install the Forza Horizon 5 from Microsoft Store. 2. Log out, then re-sign in with an app. 3. Set or use the correct date and time. 4. Reset the Windows Store cache via the wsreset.exe application. 5. Install all Windows updates. 6. Reset the Microsoft Store and Xbox App. 7. Restart the following system. Services. Windows Update, Microsoft Store Install Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. 8. Enable every TLS version via initl.cpl. 9. Reinstall the store component. Run the following commands as admin. Get apps package Windows Store, remove apps package, get apps package Windows Store, allow source for each add apps package, disable development mode, register $_install location, \appsmanifest.xml. Get apps package allow source Windows Store for each add apps package, disable development mode, register $_install location, \appsmanifest.xml. 10. Run SFC and DISM scan as admin. 11. Temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall while installing Forza Horizon 5.